So here you can see we have the chicken that has been fried. And now we're going to start to get ready to make the chili dressing for it, right? So the first thing we add into the pot is some onions. And we're going to saute these onions. Then with the onion, we're going to add some hot pepper as well. We're not going to add the garlic as yet. So we're going to let it cook down for 5 minutes. And then after we will add the rest of it. So now we're going to add the garlic. And we're going to, well, we're not adding the pimentos just yet. We're going to add some of the sweet pepper. We're going to add some ingredients. So we're going to add some vegetarian stir fry or any type of stir fry sauce. Not too much, just about a teaspoon. We're going to add some oyster sauce, same amount, some soy sauce, so 1 teaspoon of each. And we're going to cook up these stuff inside. For about a minute or so. So what we're going to do is we're going to deglaze the bottom of the pan. We're going to use some red wine. Right. So here we have some red wine that we're going to use to just deglaze the bottom of the pan. And then just mix up everything. And to this, we're going to add in the marinating sauce that we had from earlier. We're going to just let a bit of the alcohol burn out from the wine. What I have is the marinating sauce from earlier. And we're going to just add this to the pot. And we're going to let this cook down. So when you have this consistency here, this texture, this thickness, this is where you want to add the chicken. So we're going to add the chicken that we fried previously. We're going to mix this up in the sauce. And then we're going to add the pimentos. So this pimentos, you have the pimentos we have from before. Throw this in. And then we're going to add some chive and some celery that has been chopped. So we add half, we mix it up. You don't have to add the chive or the celery, but it adds a new flavor profile. Yeah. And then we add the rest of the chive and celery. I like plenty chive and celery. So. What we're going to do here now is lower the heat and allow this to cook for 5 more minutes. So this is the final product here. When it reaches like this and this amount of moisture in it, this is where we switch off the stove and we know that we finished it. So we have a little taste test. We have a sample here. So we have Geeta, who is going to taste it and tell us what she thinks. Might be a little hotter, so